Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can actually log in your telegram app. Usually when you start logging in your web telegram app, it will not allow you to log in. So for that purpose you only need to do a few and basic steps. You will follow my video and I will let you know how you can log into Telenar app. Okay, first I have already uh, turned on the VPN. Let me turn off for this one so that you can have a better look. Once I tried Telegram web. Now I will show you all the steps how you can figure this out. Just click on the first link web.telegram.org. Then you have to enter your mobile number, whatever you have, in which country. I am just doing this from Pakistan, so I have a Pakistan number from Telenar. Okay, I just started. It will ask me, is this correct number? So once you click on generating key, it will not going to do all the process. It will take a lot of time and it will not allow you to generate a key. So this will be proceeding take a long for you. So in order to avoid these circumstances, you only have to just follow these steps. Okay, let me turn this off. Okay, please give a minute. You have to do, first of all you have to install any VPN, virtual private network. I have installed Cinmat. You can install its extension. If you want to know how to do that, please write in the comment box. I will describe how to do Zenmat or any VPN for your browser. I have already installed Zenmat. It is totally free, so you have to install, or Chrome extension, Zenmat, or any VPN you are using. You can use your paid version as well. You have to turn it on. Once you have turned it on, you have to click web.telegram.org. Then you have to start your number, enter your number, enter your full country code and number. So once I tried, I will show you how you can log into your web telegram. Okay, now this we have sent a code to Telegram app on your other device. I have logged in Telegram app from my phone. So on the phone you will get your link and code, and there you once you got your link or code from your official Telegram, like I got on my mobile phone, I can't show here. I can write simply 5919, please, sorry, 59190. Okay, just see, this is here you are logged in as the Telegram app. So I just switched the screen because there are private messages, so I don't want to show them all. So you only need to do your VPN on your Chrome browser or any other browser you want. You can install this from Chrome extension anyways. Okay, and if you want many more videos and Telegram, please discuss or just comment on this video. I will do all the Telegram videos. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe and do comment. Thank you very much guys.